Kublai phi baro aska thup Khubor jungi ke dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ke bakongsan nan takas ngi kilong. Ki college bapenya da ka Sarkar Jilla bat riu shimet kim dan kamban le ek Central University entrance test pentip menteri rang ba ka Jilla. Shi trip shi sni ban kamai truck kamde ka basuk ban pendap ek ye kasam. Od ki driver local truck. Khangdam ka hitu ek company Geo Hajantia Hills bambyang ka jinsha kriye ki pat ba. But penlong program jing pensyai ka Bethany bat MIOT Chennai halor ke jing shitom bodlu. Tumantang ni apaj ki Khubor ki bakhambanya. Hadirin ka jingmi ka rai ban pentre kam ya ka Central University entrance test haka Jilla bona ki seng bhalang kila wan shakmat ban dawa na ka Sarkar ban pensange ishwaya ka ne ka rai ka bala ban kta ki babon ki khna pule jang ka Jilla. Hini kasngi hadirin ka jinga kendo jong menteri rang ba ka Jilla bat menteri ka Sarkar kme badai pej ka tanat pule minister Dharmendra Pradhan nakalyang menteri rang ba ka Jilla konrat ke sangma ula pentip bayaki college bat ki jaka pule ba penya da ki riu shimet ne ki college ki ba penya da ka Sarkar Jilla kindang lat na kane ka rai henrei lat noi ki college ki ba hap hapo ka jing pej ka Sarkar kme kin ngat hakani ka Central University entrance test.
Finished a meeting with the Honorable Minister for Education, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhanji, and I had discussed regarding the Central University entrance test issue, which is becoming quite a problematic issue for a lot of our colleges which are affiliated to NEHU back in our state. And when I expressed the concerns of the different students and the different colleges, the Honorable Minister was understood the issue, understood the problem, and a very positive response came from him, where they have agreed that there will be certain areas in which they will try to exempt some of our colleges which are not necessarily centrally funded, which are either privately or funded through the state government or aided through the state government. Those colleges will not have to give the exam. So we are waiting for a formal communication which will come in a day or two, but a very positive response, and we are hopeful that most of our students who are studying or who plan to study in these colleges which are privately run or are affiliated or are funded or aided by the state government, they will not have to appear for this exam. And so again I thank the Honorable Minister for his positive response, and we will wait for an official communication from them to ultimately inform everybody about it.
Namar ka jing jenjar palat haka kamai ka ji nakadaw ka jing perking palat kalit kawan nakalyang kinong nya atrok kit mau kit siap nakaleng ki benta jaka than melim bat ki we ki jaka kirai kendu lang haka sin sajjan banya perkhat sani yakilat krenti kumnu banle hakate ka jing elang ka balong hamelim ledon lang menteri ka Sarkar Jilla uba hamlet doling nalor ki spangut kinong nya atrok bat ki trai kali. Hadin ka jinga slok lang ka jinga lang da kawe ka sur kala sengno da ka association balatip kum ka local truck association bar kala jedru ya uba hamlet doling kum advisor nang ta uba Ricky Pathaw kum chairman ba ti kharir kum president baru ba Nikki Kurkalang kum general secretary nalor ki we UMLA habakran hagani kasngi ulaong bakum unong mikmat unsaya lam ya ka kunduhon ban ya kundu obat ki he pulit rengkar ka jinga don lang kinong ya lam jang ka association ban wad ki lat kilenti ban weng no ekatei ka jing e
pa to mi shite tag ni long ya trai da sospa mo ka bai man ba yu ka spa sospa projisi so bai sha ni chien ta na chu bai ta tendrai so bha mata mo ma ichi da to no number ka session Ikini ki member question pada, isa siyang lang piti mga office baka police department. Iya siyang lang ay mo dalang jubi, karena mo dalang police department ka baka, karena lang banlaw biar boleh juga bawa piti dulu.
Nadai gue banyak truk, lokal truk, nadai banyak truk di truk lain, nadai lokal truk di bangi kita siap dan pernah bawa senayan senasan hanya bawa Shillong. Kacingnya kebanyakan kebangi siam na kum driver truck nukong kalawan kam shwa kadai na rilbang banrung siapa lasok don lum paring laban ngim yo shu ihap ya kapor ba nyo baci damir kata kali don cinga anda bila poi pada kata ke cakap penghap no ya kamar nakali buôn xin sạ complain như Shillong bagi sạ suban penhap ni hapan tiar atau penhap mister kata kada jawai kicinya ka bani kendo
Hadirin ka jing aipor jang ka hitu ka company Jio ban penbiang ya ka network ka lakut hini ka sngi ka artarik ujemang arhajar arpoar ka Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization Jantia Hills kala shemya ka rai ban lit khang shisendon ya ka office trekam jang ka company Jio ka badon hajawai kani ka jing lit khang kherdap jo kani ka office trekam kalong hadirin ka jing ujor na ki pat ba halor ka jing thut palat ka network Jio habaro ki jaka ka rilom Jantia Nakaliang ka hitu Jantia Hills kalarai banadu lasai ka sngi kalai tarik ujemang arhajar arpoar kan hiar banit khang no iki tawa ki badan hapo karilum Jantia tar hadu banda penbiang ka jing syakri ki patba ya kani ka jing lit khang layalam du presiden ka seng uma lawyer sanwar baru organizing secretary uba yumiki pasa haka jing akran bu uma lawyer sanwar ulaong bakani ka jing lit khang yaki office trekam kanlong ban khang lut ru ya baro ki tawa wat iki badang shna thamai ru kumjo
lu gadaw iki hindre nida wo company mi go pumbiang iki network ko pura apo grilom Jantia huro gawi tena galiang yung kaseng la dok mustep usdang yo i sa gawi operation kata to likhang sedon ni woro kitawar hakeleng yung kabri hakeleng yung grilom Jantia hawa kat wa gani ke company yung pujai gawi asuran la de kejingkular ko paka wo pumbiang ga network haworo grilom Jantia iwo puya iwa yagi di office bat yagi network yang kila tu dem chua wat tu dang chna yan ni le la pen senge iki nadok mesti ke sini sedang ni la pen senge woro kitowar tu empo yang gerilom Jantia woro kobi
Hini ka sngi ka artarik ujemang arhajar arpoar ka Madras Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology International Hospital Chennai harangkat ka jinges no ktilang bat ka Bethany Hospital kala penlong ka camp aijing sumar botlum ka pasedang menta ka sngi bat kut hadu ka nyau tarik ujemang arhajar arpoar Hakani ka sngi habakran sikila pathai Khubor u Dr. Chetan Dr. Raghav jong ka MIOT Hospital kila penshai halor ki rukom sumar yeki badon jing pang hau botlum bat kila batai ru bon ki jing mentoy bakin yo na kani ka camp ban penlong hakini ki sngi ban wan
age, but every adult who is active, we see these problems in them. Starting from 18 till 70, 80, we see these kind of problems. In old age, we see people falling down and suffering fractures in the back because of poor calcium in the bones, what we call as osteoporosis. We can treat them with rest medicines, with the treatment of osteoporosis to surgery. It depends on how small a problem is or how big a fracture is.
So we will see whatever we can do here, maximum procedures we'll try to do here. But some of the complex procedures which requires a little more advanced technology such as machines and other things which are not present here, those patients we will be treating at Miyot Hospital.
Ka NPP Shillong constituency ne ka sngi kala pen scam ya kinong kit kam jo ka seng kun thop na do ka women's wing youth wing ban pen kre na ka banta ke election ka ban long house nam arhajar arpolai Hagani ka sngi la don lang ru ba prestun ten song ubade u national vice president ke NPP baru sembur menteri ka Jylla rengkat ki babun ki MLA bat ki MDC jong ka seng ya kita kinong kit kam bathma jo ke NPP na Shillong constituency Enyalam khmat ka Congress Mary Kharpuri kum ka President ka badairu ka kertong ban aireng na ka NPP House nam arhajar arpulai. Katega jingalang ka balalong hasad sopen kala shimru ya karai ban tre borba na ka banta ban penjob don buram ya ka Congress kum ka MLA bathamai.
Berapa nama pendidikan leaders? Kita ngelakuin kapti, kita pilih simnya popular, lari indian tinggi siapa no, mau Congress lebih mencuri. Tena kata-kata makwa ban ya pi ko kinau ya lambai jom ka Shillong NPP kadai ka jing sisa baka don ka sur ka baom ngidon kam ya ka jingkla bat deiru kani ka po bangi dei sisa ban penkla ai baka NPP party how arhajar arpula kanang kiu irat Shillong.
Pada kitu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bakun tarhadu bangin de ya syambiang khublai shibun.